Hello, friends of Futurasmus. I'm Jory, your trusted technician. And today we are here to review the Elsner Leak Sensor. Let's get started! Well, we start the review here. Here we have the little package on the device inside. We have already opened it to ensure everything was fine and conduct some preliminary tests. But it is like it was just opened. Here we have the instructions, a little information, the technical sheet, with all the necessary documentation. And here we can see the device. This one here is the leak sensor and the rest are add-ons. A small screw to anchor it. A little antenna too, and a waterproof box to put cables in. If we were to continue from this point, we would already possess the device. After examination, it is clear that the construction material, especially the polished stainless steel, is of excellent quality. The exterior is perfect, with an epoxy resin layer, and the internal components are made up of complex circuitry and connections. The device has a protection rating of IP68. It has dimensions of 77 millimeters in diameter and 33 millimeters high. Additionally, a weight of 210 grams. This probe has a very simple operation. These three little legs here are electrical contacts, and when they come into contact with water, they create a bridge, which causes an alarm to go off. The alarms of this device can be programmed to have text. Therefore, they can give you personalized emergency messages or notify you with the necessary information. The system has 8 logic gates with 4 AND gates and 4 OR gates, each having a binary input. Each gate's output can be configured to communicate with either 1 bit or 2 sets of 8 bits. The operation is very simple. It would be left resting on the ground where we are interested in checking if there may be problems with water leaks. And when there is a leak, the 3 legs are dielectric contacts. And when making contact with the water, a bridge would be generated that would launch an alarm by Buscan X. The good thing about these alarms is that they are configurable to be able to issue text messages. To set it up, just position it on the surface. In case of concerns about accidental displacement or being kicked, it is equipped with a screw. This screw can be inserted through a small aperture, ensuring that it remains securely fastened to the ground. So friends, we already know a new device, the Elsner Leak Sensor. Very useful, and surely some of you may need it. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you again!